Hey there. Wait, Thursday on the job and already on the field? I'm impressed. I'll be your co-pilot for this mission. I'll try not to be too awkward, promise. Anyway, here's a brief. One of our digging sites sent a report of a instinct invasion. HQ sent a drone to deal with it. As soon as you're ready, we'll read the digging procedure. I mean, you look like you know what you're doing, but I'm sure reviewing the basics couldn't hurt, right? The initiation program should begin any second now, and there you go. Good luck.
Do you have access to the drone's imagery? Do it. First, triangling around. Great. Jay and Johnson's flags will help you gather increasing speed. I'm sure you'll learn quick. Anyway, now try using that weapon against these dummies over there. Okay, next you gotta get to the nearest drill. I'm sending you the coordinates. This should display armor strength. That machine you see is a drill. We usually launch several at a time to gather minerals, but that's what we do for a living. Although it tends to attract local pests, let's start with one drill. You can set any time how much time is left by looking at the fluid tanks on top of it. By the way, the drills must be protected at all costs. If any one of them is destroyed, we'll stop the mission right there and send you back. Well played. Now, it's time for you to learn how to use your turbo. See the empty tank on the right of your dashboard? I'm pinning you some coordinates. You understand. To fill up that beauty, you have to destroy some of these eggs. The drone will automatically gather the fluid coming out of it and use it as a fuel. Now that the tank is full, it's time to launch the turbo. Woo! That was fun, right? Alright, let's get to the next coordinates. I've got a gift for you. Beautiful, aren't they? You're on your own now. I'll be watching. Good. Now go quickly get rid of the other one before this one comes back. One of them came back. You have to clear them faster. Hey, that wasn't so bad. Now we'll be upgrading your drum. Each time things come down on your side, I'll be launching an upgrade procedure like this one. For your first upgrade, I won't give you any choice. You need some better weaponry. And there you go. Your drum just received your new toy. I'll let you try on your own. Be careful though. You should know your extra weaponry uses energy gathered directly from these monsters. If you want more ammunition, you should try to kill some and pick up what they drop. Well, we got really start slow. I'm already sensing activity in your perimeter. Seems like we disturbed them a bit with our initiation sequence. Well, good luck then. You show them Warrens who's the boss. Okay, I'll launch another drilling procedure. I count on you to protect the machines. Hold on 30 seconds. It's almost over. More crystals. Maybe we'll get a raise. Whoa, something's coming. Stay on your lords. You show them Warrens who's the boss. Whoa, something's coming. Stay on your lords. Now that's what I call a pilot. I'm activating the drills. Mind the pests. They might not like it. hanging there. You're almost through. More crystals. Maybe we'll get a raise. Whoa, something's coming. Stay on your lords. Whoa, careful there. Our drone is in critical states. Disengage for now. I'm activating the emergency battery. Hey, now
the signal's
that's what
gone.
I call a pilot.
Okay, I'll try to reconnect to the black box to retrieve the beta.